tutorial, I will show you how to schedule and send your first reminder. There are many ways to do this, including uploading files, linking your calendar, and more. This tutorial will guide you through simply adding a customer and scheduling a reminder right through the website. Once you have created your account, you will be taken to the company homepage. Here you can see your account overview. See how many reminders you have sent so far this month, as well as view several reports. There are also links to our tutorials and contacting our support team. Let's go ahead and add a customer and schedule our first reminder. Hover over the navigation menu, then select My Customers and then Customers/Patients. This shows you a list of all of your customers. Since you have just created this account, there are no customers yet. Let's go ahead and add a new customer now. Click on the Add New Customer/Patient button. Go ahead and add yourself. Enter your first and last name, phone number, and your email address. Note that the only required fields here are first name, last name, and primary phone number. However, if you are going to be sending text reminders, ensure that you enter a cell phone number, and if you are going to be sending email reminders, ensure that you enter an email address. Customer ID is optional. You can enter this if you have a customer ID for your customer. For now, we will leave this field blank. The Spanish checkbox is used for Spanish-speaking customers, which we will cover in another tutorial. Go ahead and click on Update. You can see that you have been added to the list. Let's go ahead and schedule a new appointment for this customer. Click on View/Add Reminders on the far right side. This gives you a list of all the appointments that are scheduled for this customer. As you can see, there are no appointments yet. Click on the Add New Reminder button now. Click on the drop-down list for reminder type name. Depending on your configuration settings, you should have several reminders listed. If there is a text message type reminder, choose that one for now, otherwise choose a call or email type reminder. We will cover how to edit these and create new reminder types in another tutorial. For appointment date/time, go ahead and select tomorrow's date at 10:30 a.m. You can leave appointment end date/time alone and also leave the custom fields blank. After you enter this information, click the Update button. Now you can see that your appointment has been added for this customer. If you hover over the navigation menu, then select Reporting and then Reminders page, you can see all of the reminders that are scheduled. We will cover this page in more detail in another tutorial, but for now, take a look at the reminder that we just created. Here you can see the details of this reminder as well as the reminder result. Most likely you should have received the reminder by now. If not, you should get it in the next few minutes. If your reminder is expecting a confirmation, go ahead and confirm the reminder. Shortly, you will see that your reminder has changed to blue. You can click on the magnifying glass for further details about the reminder. Or you can click the SMS button to reply to the reminder via SMS. Congratulations! You have successfully added a customer and sent a reminder.